Hello lovelies, in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this colorful tiger nut juice. Yes, you heard me right. This is not the regular, well, it's the regular tiger nut juice, but with an added ingredient. I'll drop all the ingredients used in the comment section. So this is it, lovelies. Let's go, guys. If there is one thing I like about beetroot, is the colorful nature it gives to any food or anything you use it for. Actually, because I wanted to surprise my odogu with a different kind of tiger nut, that was why I thought of this beetroot. Aside the fact that it's very healthy to the heart and makes enhances blood, is also very colorful when added to fruit. So this is me removing the seeds from my date. So it's very important you do this. You can soak your date for a few hours, say 2 to 3 hours, so it will be soft enough for you to open. In a case where you are using dry dates, there are also fresh dates, but me in Nigeria where I reside, I've never come across very fresh, like the green type of date. So we see this dried one around. I make sure I remove the seed, dice my coconut, my beetroot. So it's important to dice them in a smaller chunks for your blender to easily blend them in into a smooth consistency. So as long as you're not using the commercial type of meal, like going to the commercial place to blend your tiger nut juice, please don't forget to dice your coconut and beetroot or whatever you are using aside the tiger nuts. Make them in smaller pieces, okay? So I added my ingredients, the stuffs like tiger nut. As you can see, I added everything into the blender and I added little water to blend. Please don't add too much water, because I mistakenly added so much water in one of it. It made it not to be very smooth and it just came out with a whole lot of chaff, and it's not nice at all. So please always add little water until it's very blended or very smooth. You cannot add more water in order for you to get more of the juice or wash it off very much better. Okay, so I went ahead to blend till it was smooth. And see what I did here today. I saw one video where someone was using what's it called, juicer, to blend to make tiger nut juice. I remember that was warned when I bought my juicer directly from the factory in China. The manual, it was written that please do not blend anything nuts, do not juice anything nuts using this juicer, in order to save the life shelf and make it last longer for you. So being a smart person, I decided to first of all use my blender to blend, and then go ahead and pour it into this juicer in order for it to separate the chaff and the juice for me. It came out very nice and very colorful. It's quite easy and less touchy of hand when once blended, unlike when you are using your sack bag or what's it called, your sieve, to separate the juice from the chaff. So guys, it came out very nice, and this is the chaff part, very much dried. I like the fact that I did this, but please, if you don't know how to do this, don't try it at home. You find that your juicer will just do spoil it. I just want to tease you. Okay, it's not good for the juicer at all. If you had read your own juicer manual, it will state clearly that you should not use your juicer for anything nuts. So please don't juice your nuts that way, no matter the kind of video you see online. Some people's own may get spoiled along the line, but they will not come to tell you. You understand? So this is my tiger nut blending so perfectly, guys. This my blender is so superb. I've used it for like 7 good years, though I don't allow anyone to use this blender except my very own hands. The other blender, anybody can use it. Odogu can use it, his kids can use it, helper can use it, stranger can also use it. But for this particular one that I've used for 7 years, the silver crest, no, I don't play with it. So it gave me a very smooth consistency. I also transferred it to my juicer to allow you separate the juice from the chaff. It always came out nice. It came out nice, I must tell you, and less time consuming. This is it, darling. So sit tight and enjoy this tiger nut with me, okay? Please don't go. Let me tell you advantages of drinking tiger nut. The little I know. Yes, I've read that taking tiger nut juice will help you increase libido. It helps. It has a lot of calcium. It helps to. It aids digestion. It also makes your nerves to get relaxed easily. So if you're kind of stressed and you drink a chilled tiger nut, it helps to relax your nerves. Guys, my tiger nut is very colorful, isn't it? Tell me you don't like this. So if I serve you this when you come to my house as a tiger nut juice, would you doubt it? Wouldn't you jump into it and finish it in a split of second? My tiger nut juice is very colorful, so tasty and so yummy. So guys, tell me if you'll be practicing this. Tell me if you like it in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That is how you help me to grow. And don't forget to share and comment. That is also very encouraging, okay? You can add your straw. You can use straw to drink. You can use your cup directly, whichever way that is very convenient for you. This is me enjoying my tiger nuts, as a foodie. I do finish, I go drink my own first. Cheers, darling. Okay, I went ahead to pour them in my serving bottles and then store in the refrigerator. You can store in the refrigerator, or you can just simply put them in your freezer. So whenever you want it, you bring it out, defrost, and enjoy. So darling, thank you for watching, and thank you for watching to this point. This is the outcome of my tiger nut juice. Mwah.